Hello students, I am your Jet sir, welcoming you all in this online session for standard 6 max chapter number 4. This is our new video for chapter number 4. Here in this video we will start our chapter number 4, that is basic geometrical ideas. So basic geometrical ideas, we have to start from basic. Okay, so what is line, what is line segment, what is point, rays, parallel line, intersecting line, we have to know one by one, which are written here. Okay, so after studying in next level we will come to know different parts of this chapter, and after standard 6 you will get much little bit more tough in standard 7 for making this geometry. कैसे बनाना है, किस तरह से बनाना है, एंगल कैसे होता है, सब उसमें आएगा. ठीक है, एक के बाद एक. स्टैंडर्ड 6 में भी आएगा थोड़ा बहुत. इन स्टैंडर्ड 6 you will also get some later information. Okay, so now let's start the basic geometrical ideas. So what is basic geometrical ideas? In which we have to draw the different shape. It consists points, line segment, line, intersecting line, parallel lines and rays. So starting from first, what is point? So if I want to define that what is point, so how I will define it? So defining the point is a point determined a location. What you can say, a point determined determines, क्या दिखाता है हमें, a location. For example, if I am standing right now here and आपको ग्राफ बनाना है, if you want to draw some diagram of mine, so you will see that you will not draw my total photo, whole photo. What you will do one single point, and you will specify that point, that at this point Z sir is standing, okay, in your diagram. So this point is showing the location. Okay, the point is showing a location. Now the second thing is the point. When you draw the point, at that time what you do, you have to give the name. Okay, if you giving the alphabet, so the alphabet should be in capital letter. Okay, that become A or else B or else Z, anything else. Okay, but you have to write in capital letter. Okay, now here we understand what is point. Now coming on, next point is, means the syllabus का next point पे क्या आएंगे हम, what is line segment? So line segment, it means I have 2 points and in between the one line drawn. Okay, this is my line segment. This is my 2 point, and between 2 points there is one line, that is known as a line segment. Already I told you to write in capital alphabet, this A and this B. So I can say that this is my line segment. Okay, so line segment, if I want to describe the name of my line segment, that will be AB. Okay, and on the upper side of AB you have to draw one horizontal line, that so that this is my line segment. Okay, okay, now moving on, line. So what is line? So line is nothing but if I extend this point A from here and point B from here, so this extension that I don't know where it will be end. Okay, so for that I will make the arrow, that ये लाइन कहीं भी एंड हो सकती है, इसका कोई ठिकाना नहीं दिया, पर ये लाइन जो है इन दोनों के बीच में, यहाँ पे पॉइंट A है, यहाँ पे पॉइंट B है, here this point A and point B. So we can say that the line is AB. If you have this type of diagram, okay, and they ask that which line, so you will set AB and you will draw this type of symbol on it above. And if they ask that line segment क्या है, तो you have to remove this arrow and you have to do like this only. ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है. अगर ये हुआ फिर भी चलेगा. अगर ये हुआ and this is my diagram and I ask that what is the line segment in this above diagram, you will say that AB and this. If I ask that what is line, only line, I am not asking what in line segment. Line segment अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो AB ऊपर एक line करनी है. And if I speak that give me the line, the name of the line, so I will draw like this, AB and this line. एक लाइन ऊपर बनाऊंगा और दोनों साइड, दोनों एंड पे एक एक एरो दे दूंगा. दिस इज नोन एज अ लाइन, ओनली लाइन, ठीक है. नाउ we had completed point, we had completed line segment, we had also completed point. Now coming on intersecting line. From the name you can easily understand intersecting means the line which cut each other. Okay, this is my line. Okay, now another line came and cut this line. The point is known as, the point where they meet are known as a intersecting point. Okay, and this line is known as a intersecting line. See properly. So this line has one single common point also, so we can say that this line is a intersecting line because it has some common point and both lines are cutting each other. So this is my intersecting point. These are known as the intersecting line. So we had completed intersecting line. Coming on the parallel lines. Now in parallel line, both the lines are not cutting each other. Both the lines are not cutting each other like this. This is my another line and this is my another line. They are known as a parallel line. ठीक है, इतना clear हुआ? Or the line should be like this also. These are known as parallel lines. Why? Because both the lines are not cutting each other, intersecting each other, but both are moving similarly from one plane, okay, and straight. These are known as the parallel lines. So I had completed what is parallel line. Now moving on, ray. So what is ray? Ray किसको बोलेंगे हम? So ray, it means it is the combination of line segment and line. I can also say that it is a combination of line and line segment, because in line segment we have point, okay, and in line we have a arrow. So I can say that it is a combination of line segment and line. So a ray is known as, this is my ray, okay, this is my ray. If I want to give the name to this, so I will say that AB is my ray. Okay, यहाँ पे point आ गया. अब यहाँ से आगे line नहीं जाएगी क्योंकि यहाँ पे point आ गया. Okay, and here I make arrow. It means the line is on my right side is endless. Okay, I had not specified that where it will be end. It is endless, and on the point A side I had make a point. So this type of line are known as a ray, and the symbol of the ray is AB, and draw a one side arrow on the right side. Okay, now moving on the exercise number 4.1 of this exercise. I am finding my duster. Okay, so exercise 4.1 we will start right now. So open the exercise 4.1 in your textbook and see. There is one diagram. Okay, exercise 4.1. There is a diagram. Okay, the diagram is like there is one, I am drawing here. Okay, there is one this type of line, and another line is coming like this, and okay. So now there is given a point. Which point they give? They give This point is a O. This point is my B. This point is my C. Other point is D and E. This is my D and this is my E. Okay. Now they give us this diagram and ask us the questions. 4 questions they ask. First question is 5 points. We have to answer the first question is we have to tell them which 5 points are there in the diagram. So obviously we will say that point जो होते हैं वो आपके points ही होते हैं, line में कहीं भी हो तो point it show the location. Okay, so there are how many points? D, E, O, B, C. These are my points. The points are D, E, O, B, C. Second question is a line. Okay, a line they ask. A line, A line नहीं है वो A line. अब हमें वो पूछ रहे कि line बताओ उस पे कौन कौन से पॉइंट है. ठीक है, अब वो लाइन कौन सी है हमें वो डिस्क्राइब करना है. अ लाइन डिस्क्राइब करनी है तो लाइन इसमें से कौन सी लाइन है? विच लाइन वी हैव? लाइन शुड बी स्ट्रेट. ओके, this is not my line because here is a full stop. Okay, this is, I can say that this is my ray, this is also my ray, but this is my line because it is not ending, it is endless from both the side. Okay, तो end क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? D लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? B लिखा हुआ है. दोनों end point को ले लेंगे and we will describe that D and B is my line. This is my symbol of line I draw. Okay, now coming on third question. What is third question? They ask us 4 ray. What we will describe? We have to describe a 4 ray. अब 4 ray आपको क्या करनी है? Describe करनी है. So which are the rays? तो rays किसको बोलेंगे? एक point होगा and other will be endless. This is my point and other is endless. So this is my O and this is my C. So rays is OC, draw this symbol on above the alphabet. Then after OB, then after OD, OD, then after this one is also my own ray. Okay, then OE also. If I don't have D, then it become only directly OE. I have D also and I have E also. I will also specify the OE also here. Okay, so this is my 4 points on ray. Now moving on further, question number D. Okay, 5 line segment. We have to describe which are the 5 line segment. line segment कौन कौन सी है? तो आप देखिए क्वेश्चन के अंदर you will see that the line which is between the point. Okay, the line which is between the point. So this is my point. Okay, which is line is between here is a DE. देखिए आप अपने बुक में देखिए or else you can see on board which are the lines. DE वो आपको दिख रही है, then EO वो भी हो रही है, 2 पॉइंट के बीच में लाइन आ रही है. then after which line? OB. okay, then OC, then EB. okay, you can also specify DE also and DB also. so ये R, this is R line segment. We can write here line segment. So which are our line segment? I had already defined that line segment means the line which is come between the points. Okay, उस point को आपको define करना है और उस पे symbol line segment का लगाना है. So this is my 2 points. Which line is this? DE, DE. Okay, and I will make this symbol for line segment. Okay, now EO also. Okay, now OC also, OB also. Okay, now these my 4 points. Other 4 points also are there. This O D D O, you can write this also because ये दोनों point ही है, दोनों के बीच E आ रहा है, हमने E specify कर दिया है. Again, this is also our line segment only. But if you want to describe, you can describe 4 points you had specified, no problem. Okay, write this in your book. So we can move on number 2. This is our number 1. Okay, question number 1 of exercise 4.1. Now write it side rub. Now I am rubbing this. Okay, now we are moving on number 2 of exercise 4.1. So read the question in the book. Okay, so we will move on. So read, you read or not. So they ask that name the line given in all possible way. So they give us one line. Okay, they specify a point A, point B, point C and point D. Okay, this is my line. Why I said line? Because from both the side it is endless. Okay, all the other points are also a line only. They are points of line only. So for question number 2, they ask us, give us if 12 possible lines. Okay, we have to give them a 12 possible lines. So first line is AB, then A. Now first how we will do AB, then AC also, AC, then AB completed, AC completed, now AD. So here is a AD. This is my line. Now completed. Now coming on B. So BA, BC, BD. Okay, BD completed. Now coming on C. CA, CB, CD. CD completed. Now coming on D point. DA, DB, then DC. So now we will count how many lines we get. They ask us 12 lines. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, we had satisfied the question, we had find the 12 lines. So here the question number 2 for exercise 4.1 is ended. Now the next question for exercise 4.1 will be coming in next video. Till then I am Yusjat sir ending this video. Okay, bye bye.